Hey there, F-150 enthusiasts. Are you tired of your truck squatting under heavy loads or struggling with uneven rides? Today, we're breaking down the top 3 best airbag suspension kits for your F-150, guaranteed to level up your towing and hauling game. Let's dive right in. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the maXpeedingrods Airbag Suspension Kit, a reliable solution to improve ride quality and handle heavy loads with ease. This kit includes everything you need for installation. One bolt from the fifth wheel rail can be reused, but you'll need to remove the rail and drill 3 additional holes to fit the system properly. With an onboard air compressor and solenoids, the bags can be controlled effortlessly via a cab-mounted switch. Adding T-valves ensures equal pressure between the bags for balanced performance. The result? A smoother, more stable ride under heavy loads. After tightening the loose valve stem, the system performs flawlessly with no leaks. The maXpeedingrods Airbag Suspension Kit is a great upgrade for your F-150. Affordable, reliable, and effective. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the RETRUE Airbag Suspension Kit, a fantastic choice for those looking to improve their truck's ride and handling under heavy loads. The RETRUE Airbag Suspension Kit provides everything you need for a simple and effective installation. It's designed to fit your F-150 perfectly, with all necessary components included, making it a breeze to set up. Installation is straightforward and can be done with basic tools. The kit includes high-quality air springs that improve your truck's stability and comfort, especially when towing or hauling. Once installed, you can control the airbag system easily from inside the cab. Thanks to the included air compressor and solenoids, adjusting the air pressure on demand lets you maintain a smooth ride no matter the load. The results are impressive, whether you're towing a heavy load or carrying gear in the bed. The RETRUE Airbag Suspension Kit helps keep the truck level, improving overall ride quality and safety. For those looking for an affordable and reliable airbag suspension kit, the RETRUE Airbag Suspension Kit delivers outstanding performance for your F-150. And taking the top spot on our list of the top 3 best airbag suspension kits for F-150 is the Torque Airbag Suspension Kit, the ultimate choice for those who demand superior performance and durability under heavy loads. The Torque Airbag Suspension Kit is packed with premium features designed to enhance your F-150's towing and hauling capabilities. It includes everything you need for a complete installation, from the airbags to the mounting hardware. Installation is simple, with clear instructions and all necessary components included. The kit is designed for a perfect fit, making it easy to enhance your truck's ride without a hassle. Once installed, the system is controlled by an onboard air compressor and solenoids, giving you on-the-fly adjustments with a cab-mounted switch. You can fine-tune the air pressure for optimal ride quality, no matter the load. With the Torque Airbag Suspension Kit, your F-150 stays level and stable, even when carrying or towing heavy loads. It reduces strain on your suspension, improves handling, and provides a much smoother ride, whether on the highway or rougher roads. For those who need the best in performance, reliability, and ease of use, the Torque Airbag Suspension Kit is the clear winner. It's the perfect upgrade for your F-150, ensuring top-notch ride quality and towing power. That wraps up the top 3 best airbag suspension kits for F-150. Which kit would you pick for your F-150? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome truck gear reviews.